Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have Happy Mail. It is from, I don't want to show you the address, but it is from Gina Loves to Craft on YouTube. Hi Gina hun, you did not have to send me this. So I think this is a thank you gift because I finally had hit 5,000 subscribers and I sent out a winning Happy Mail, and Gina got it because she comments on every video I ever make, and she's so sweet, and I'm so blessed to have her in my life. And so she got about $250 worth, maybe $300 worth of Anna Griffin stuff that I had duplicates or had just so much of, and I wanted her to just taste some of what Anna has. So I will put that video of hers, because I didn't make a video of it. I didn't, so I will get her video and I'll put it in the comments down below here. But anyway, this is from Gina. So I got it last week and my computer is giving me problems, and I wasn't feeling well, so I'm gonna pull it all out now. So it's a lot. Whoa, I'm happy. I see a lot of good stuff. So, wow, Gina, you did not have, oh, she did not have to send me this, but I am happy to have it. So, oh my gosh, it just keeps on coming and coming. Wow, she paid $10.85 for that shipping. So, I'm going to probably have to put my glasses on. This is my last video until after like May 15th. My computer is going in the shop. So, yeah, it's giving me a hard time. The fan is not working. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I love vellum embellishments. Oh, this is so nice. You know, I make a lot of stuff for family and cards and all, and oh, I can use this so much. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff, a lot of embellishments. Okay, let me put that right there. I'll have to go through it when I have more time. I know my computer, since it doesn't have a working fan, I'm going to have to be quick. I don't have this from Anna Griffin. It says baby. Oh, that's a nice item. When was this made? 06. Oh my gosh, wow. I love that. Aw, this is so sweet. I was fixing to do a birthday card for a little girl, and now I know what to use. Yes. Uh-oh. I love American crafts. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Where I can make a banner. You know, I think banners are my favorite thing to make, and now I can make a banner kit. That is really nice. Oh my goodness, I'm happy about that. I have a Christmas box that I pull out in July, so I will do that in July. Oh, I love these. Oh, I just love these. These are so pretty. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. That's going to make a beautiful Christmas card. Okay, let me put Christmas right here because that goes in a different pile. I try to stay organized. Oh, that is nice. It's the same company as this right here, and I've never seen this before, but you could make like a card. This could be like the card, and then you add on top of it and fold it over. I'm wondering. I'll have to look into that and look up that company. Let's see. More Christmas card stuff to make. Oh my Lord. I love getting stuff that I haven't used before and then incorporating it. I think this is so pretty. I think you fold this over in half, and then you fold this one over in half, and then you decorate it, I think. Yeah, I'm going to have to look up the company, and, well, I can do it myself, but yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh, I love that color. Okay, what is this? Aw, this is so cute. Aw, and you can write the names right here. Aw, So, you know, I'll probably hoard that and not give it away. So, ooh. Now, I love this. Wow, look how big that bike is and that stamp and all these words. And, you know, I've been making my own paper for junk journals, and so this will really help. I love you. Oh, I love that. Aw, that's so nice. Okay, let me keep the Christmas stuff together, because here's some more. This is just beautiful. We just went to Mass last night. It was Palm Sunday, so yeah. Oh, this is very regal colors, so that's very pretty. Okay, what is this? Best friends forever, birthday blessings with sympathy. Wow, I've needed this one forever. You know what? This is just nice to have. I love this one too. Wow, I've needed that one, and I didn't want to order stuff just to get one, and now I can use these all the time. Oh my Lord. And then I'll figure out the stamping on that. I have a stamping platform, and I think I'm going to have to break it out and play with it. That's nice. These are huge. They're expensive stuff. Wow. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Oh, and you know, we're fixing to go to the zoo for someone's birthday coming up, and we go to the zoo once or twice a year, and I'm thinking zoo for this one. But oh my Lord, that's so pretty. These are nice big stamps. Okay, what is this one? Aw, this is so cute. Always here to lend a helping hand. That is so nice. Sending fuzzy yellow bear hugs. Oh, Izzy Wizzy, let's get busy. Have a super birthday. This is so sweet. Oh my goodness. The balloons and oh. You know, I always go very vintage, and I struggle when it comes to my nieces and nephews and then the new babies and all. And all it takes is Gina to know what I need. That I will use. Okay, what is this? This is going to be so much fun. 2 bikes, but boy, they are different in size too. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That pattern right there I can use over and over. This pattern over and over. Oh, this is so nice. Wow, stay cool summer days. I'm fixing to head to Florida in June. I always go for my mom's birthday, and we take pictures, and this will be perfect. And we're going to have a picnic, so we've already planned out some stuff. So, I mean, I don't have a lot of stamps, and I want to do more stamping, and I have a stamp platform and all that stuff. Oh my gosh. You know what? She could have just sent me one item, and I would have been happy. But she didn't have to send me anything. This got snagged in the mail. This is very, very vintagey to me. This is so pretty. There's so much you can do with this right here, and people look at it like, what are you going to do? But you layer it. It says B, A, B. I know how to do these. I love the 3-dimensional tags and cards and everything. I can play with this all day long. I know this. This is fun. This is happy mail for me, for sure. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is the layering 3D effect too, and it's for Christmas. So there we go. We make your own tags and all that kind of stuff. But see, I kind of cheat and just use this and then have extra and put this on another one. This goes a long way. Uh-oh, what is this? Wow, that's a beautiful card. You know, you can start a journal with this because it's so heavy. You can start, this could be the beginning of a journal. Oh my gosh. It could be a card. It could be almost so much. Oh, that's not Christmas though. Let me put it there. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to run a copy of this. I don't want to, which is well, it's for my use only, but I run a copy. That way I will have these vintages forever. Oh my Lord, that is so pretty. Oh my Lord, look at that. Wow. And then this goes with it. This matches. So, and you can make a card. I'm learning what she's throwing down. I'm catching. what she's sewing down. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, yes. And this goes with the ones in the front. So where did the little boy go? So, oh my gosh, I am so happy. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you layer these to make it three-dimensional if you want, but I don't want to. But see, they pop out and you can layer them, but I'm gonna have to do it, but I'm gonna have to rent a copy too so I can have the original. Oh my gosh. So she is the sweetest. She does a lot of hauls. She does make a lot of stuff when her hand is not giving her a problem. And once she starts following you, you become friends with her because you just start chit-chatting over messages and everything. And so go follow her. I will tag her. I will tag the video that sent this, but she did not have to send me anything. I mean, I'm ready to play. I love vellum. I'm just ready to play. There's so much stuff here and everything. And then Christmas in July is when I'm going to get to this because, yeah, Anna Griffin's crop box just came today. I am making 12 albums for my daughter's volleyball team at the school. She is the coach. And so I'm doing that. My computer is going tomorrow to the shop. I hope I get it back by May 1st. So I am just blessed to have Gina. She is really, really sweet, and I have to watch her, but she makes me spend money. She's always doing hauls, and she's always finding stuff that I didn't know that was out there, and I'm like, wait, now I've got to go find it. And then, you know, when you go in to shop, you don't buy just one item. So, yeah, she drives my husband crazy. Anyway, thank you, hun. This was so sweet. I am so blessed to have you in my life, and thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye.